All right, good morning, everybody. It's about 10:56 here on a Tuesday. So yeah, we've had some really good runners this morning. I did a trade this morning. I was also in SPCE, Virgin Galactic, sold that pre-market, and then actually did a trade on SAVA. So yeah, it's going to take a look at it. Here we are on the 30-minute chart. So pretty much this morning so far we've had about 200% gain. So yeah, super big. So let's go to zoom in here. So I was looking at the 5-minute chart, and I was looking at this pretty early in the morning. I saw this initial run up to 45, 54. I was looking at it here on the dip, and I saw it coming up, and I actually jumped in somewhere around here and ended up selling up in this area here for about 24% gain. Ended up selling way too soon because the breakout was at 45.54. Ended up selling in here for about a 24% gain. Ended up selling way too soon because if I would have held, you're looking at another extra 43%. If you would have bought this breakout anywhere, you would be looking at a 60% gain. So definitely huge gains to be had. Definitely still in this uptrend now. A little bit of a pullback might be a good dip buy. Got kind of oversold here on the RSI. But yeah, check it out on the daily. Huge green wick. So yeah, I'm going to be looking at this probably all day and perhaps even tomorrow. There might be some good dip buys on this. So definitely make sure to stay tuned. Follow me on YouTube as well on the uptick. But yeah, I'll be watching this and probably doing a video later, probably towards when the market closes. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Also going into, let's take a look. OCGN is another one that I'm looking at as well. So again, we had a huge initial run up all the way up to 373. It's 100% gain. And then we're coming down and we're just in this equilibrium pattern with a high at 374. Let's see. Came down, established a low at 277. And then we came up, established a lower high at 325 and a higher low. And now we did have a little bit of a breakout of this equilibrium pattern here, right here. So we're kind of waiting to confirm to see if a breakout will happen. Breakout does happen. We'll be looking at 373 for the next key resistance for us to really break. As you can see, the last previous resistance was at 350. Let's get that out of there. So definitely going to be watching this. Those are the key resistances there, 350 and 375. So that's what I'm looking at. It looks like we could be breaking here any minute. So definitely stay tuned to OCGN as well. I was going to jump over to Virgin Galactic. SPCE is the ticker. So I ended up, I was going to zoom out here. So I ended up selling this. Oh, let's go to the daily. So daily, we've had some really good green candlesticks. I was holding this overnight. So the yellow here is kind of pre-market. I ended up selling somewhere towards the top. So I was definitely holding this overnight. Got a pretty good gain on that. So what we were looking at, if you guys are kind of trading this here. So I have the high at 59.40, and then I had the low at 39.48, and then we came up and established a little bit of a higher high at about 60, and then now we're coming down. So if we're going to stay into this pattern that we're seeing with the high, the low, a little bit of a higher high, we have to maintain a higher low. If we do break below this, then we'll probably see a lower high. So keep that in mind. Just waiting for this pattern to really play out. As long as we can maintain a higher low, we're going to continue to see these uptrend on that. And let's go ahead and go over to GameStop GME, GameStop Corporation. So here we are on the hourly. So pretty much we've been in this downtrend here. Whoops. But yeah, pretty much we've just been in this downtrend here for a while now. So yeah, we can see we just pretty much just downtrend all the way pretty much to long-term support back here from January 25th area, where we had a good week or two support here, bouncing right off of that line. So what we can see here is, it's going to zoom in here to the 15-minute chart. Well, we're going to want to see a higher high form from this low here, or high there. And we're also going to want to see a higher low. So we're going to want to see a higher low form higher than the 74.76 to basically indicate that we're going to see a reversal. So just kind of sitting tight, waiting for a good dip buy to happen on this. Also, look at the RSI. Whenever we do get under this 30, we're going to get oversold. So yeah, definitely looking at that as well. Definitely not oversold yet. So it's kind of sitting tight and waiting for some plays to play out. So let me know if you guys have any other tickers you want me to review, or I'll kind of do an update on this as well when the day kind of ends. So I'll see you guys next video.